So finally, the defendants made it, and they could exercise their fundamental rights to participate to the trial in which they are charged with the crimes that we know. The important thing was that even if only a little piece of the investigation file were translated, they were able to reconstruct in detail every single moment of the search and rescue missions that they are charged with. And it was very clear to everybody in the courtroom that with those elements, nobody could ever be charged or convicted of any crime. During the statements of the first of the defendants, of course, as usual, 3 prosecutors were in the room. And it's unbelievable to me what happened then, that after half an hour, 2 of them left the courtroom, as if they were not interested what the defendant had to say. It's 7 years that they investigated and prosecuted people without hearing their voices. You may remember when one of the defendants tried to give the statements during the investigation phase, and prosecution was not able to have a qualified interpreter in the room. And that was the reason why these statements were given not at that stage, but only today in front of the court. And again, I really cannot believe the fact that prosecution left the courtroom, 2/3 of them left the courtroom, and the lead prosecutor left the courtroom without staying there and listening to what the defendants had to say about the facts on which the charges should have been based. If they had listened, they would have understood that their charges have no reason to be.